Hello there YouTube, I have here, so this is a continuation of my second video about finding the possible or the elements, or I mean the subset of a given set. So that was, what this formula. If you don't know, just look on the title below and you will see how did we come up with the answer. Okay, so this is literally an exercise. So if we're going to find the subset, example number one, find all subsets or find all the subset of these sets we have here. Now we know that this is a null set, represents as the null set or empty set, so we didn't have an elements. Now in your elementary algebra, if you have an empty set, so that means that there are no elements, and then the formula that we use is 2 raised to n. Again, we know on my second video before this one that you know that n is the number of elements in a given set. Now here, since this is a null set, do we have an element? So there's none. So what is our n there? So our n here is 0. This is not degree, but this is an exponent 0. So you know in elementary algebra also that any number raised to 0 and the answer is 1. So how many possible subset? We have one subset of an empty set. Okay? Now here, number 2, we have days of the week. Now if you're going to ask how many days within a week, that is obviously 7. So our n here is 7. We have Sunday as the first day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So how many days? So we have 7 days. So again, in solving, that is 2 raised to 7. Then if you're going to solve this one, let us multiply. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16 times 2, 32 times 2, 64 times 2, 128. So therefore, there are 128 subsets. Okay, on number 3, this is in set builder notation, wherein, let us read this one, the set of all x's such that x is an odd number where 7 is less than x is less than 17. Okay, now take note of the restriction that it is an odd integer. Odd integer where 7 is less than x is less than 17. Now x here is an odd integer within these numbers. Okay? So if we're going to find the number of elements, x represents to an odd integer within these numbers. So what is the first number where x here is greater than 7 but not equal to 7? That is an odd number. So what is the first number? We have 9. So let us all list all the elements. We have 9 followed by 11, 13, because it is an odd integer. 13, 15. Can we include 17? It is less than, so therefore we have 4, 9, 11, 13, and 15. So we have 4 elements, and that becomes 2 raised to 4. Okay, what is 2 raised to 4? Again, let's multiply. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16. So therefore, there are 16 subsets. Okay, how about this one? The set of all x's such that x is an even integer where 20 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 30. Again, take note, the first one is an odd integer. Here, it is an even integer. Okay, now here we have 20 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 30. So what number do we start in finding those elements of x? Yes, so we will start with 20. Why? Because x here is equal or greater than to 20. So since the relationship of these numbers is less than or equal to, we will start with the first number that is even, or the first integer that is even within 20 to 30. That is 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, and then we have 30. So let us all count the elements. How many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is 2 raised to 6, and the answer is 64 subsets. Again, let us here we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2, 4, 6. Okay, let us multiply. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16 times 2, 32 times 2, 64. So therefore the answer is 64 subsets. Okay, how about this one? What are the elements represented in the set with this one? The set A is equals to the set of all x's plus 2 such that x is an integer where 1 is less than x is less than 6. Okay, remember that there is no restriction what kind of integer. It is not odd or even. Okay, so integers. So what are those integers? Wherein 1 is less than x is less than 6. So we will start with 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6 is not included. Then these are the value of x from here. Okay, sorry, there's no need of writing this one. Those are the value. There's no need of writing this one because this is not considered a set. Sorry. Now those are the values of x that we're going to substitute on all x's here with all, where all x's will be added by 2. So therefore, set A has elements of what? That is 2 plus 2 here, because x here is 2, and then 2 plus 2 is the first element is 4. Then x here is 3 plus 2 is obviously 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. Then 5 plus 2 is 7. So the elements here with this one, the elements are 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, if you have questions of this lesson that we have here, this exercise that we have here, you can put a comment, or if you like the video, just feel free to press the like button, or if you want more videos, you can press subscribe. Okay, thank you and God bless.